Okay, guys, just want to do one more video here. um, in Texas, cowboy boots are pretty abundant. And I just wanted to show this, what I was able to do for these boots here. If you can see the boot on the right, all I did was take some, actually some vegetable oil. And I use olive oil, but I just had a bunch of olive oil that I got for, actually I got it for free. But anyway, that's another story for another video. But if you oil the boots, if you guys come across boots, a little bit of oil on them will go a long ways. As you can see, the boot on the left is pretty dry and crappy looking. And then my uncle always told me you couldn't polish a turd, but anyway, the boot on the right, I took it and put some oil on it, and it just looks 1,000,000 times better. As you can see the difference in the pictures or in this video, but when I do the still pictures for eBay, it's just going to be night and day difference as far as the boots go. I can't remember the exact price I paid for these. I do remember I got these at a garage sale. I want to say $5, maybe $8. I think maybe they were asking 10 and I talked them to 5 or talked them down to 8. Anyway, these boots here though, I forget the brand name. They're a real popular brand here in Texas, and they will sell probably for about $50. So anyway, I'll probably sell them for like $48.95 with $15 shipping or something like that. These are a youth size 7 or 8. I'll have to look, but anyway, I just really wanted to do this video to show the difference on what just doing a little oil treatment on the boots will do. Again, I put some Walmart bags in this boot and not in here to kind of show you the difference in pictures to how much better it makes the pictures look more presentable when you do the oil and a couple of Walmart bags in there. So yeah, this didn't take me long at all. I just got the boots out of the storage bin and rubbed some oil on them on the one boot there. It took me 5 minutes or less, and it looks like a new boot. So anyway, this is another quick tip, guys, selling shoes and boots on eBay for profit. And this tip here, hopefully you guys can follow suit and find some boots and make a lot of money. So anyway, until the next video, guys, take care, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot.